Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA Hex function, which basically converts a number to a hexadecimal value, and sometimes converts a hexadecimal value, and sometimes, if it's the same as a hexadecimal value, it leaves it as the same number. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the View tab of Excel 2013. In the macro section of that View tab, I'm going to click on the macro drop down. I'm going to click on Record Macros. I'm going to give this a macro name of hex_fx. Click on OK, and then I'm going to stop running that. Then I'm going to go to the macros tab again, or macro section of the View tab in Excel 2013. Click on View Macros and select the macro I want to edit. Click on Edit, and then I'm going to get rid of the comment stuff in green. And in between the sub and end sub, I'm going to paste in my code. The bits with the apostrophes in front of them in green are comments, and the bit I'm interested in is this message box function here, which basically states within the message box to display the hex formula with the number 559 in it, and that number 559 will be converted to the hexadecimal equivalent. So if I click on play, you can see the hexadecimal equivalent of 559 is 22F, and that's basically the Excel VBA hexadecimal function in Excel 2013.